Many learners translate before they speak. This habit slows everything terribly down. But what if you stopped doing that? What if English came naturally instead? The journey begins with one small decision. Stop translating. Start thinking in English. Every morning, one learner had a habit. He translated every single sentence first. He thought in his language, then English. His speech was slow and unnatural. He felt nervous in every conversation. Something had to change very soon. Then one day he saw truth. Fluent speakers never translate at all. They think directly in English always. So he made one powerful decision. He would train his brain differently. Even small things would change everything. He started with objects around him: bed, pillow, fan, window, sunlight, simple words whispered every single morning. His brain slowly began to change. Then came simple, beautiful sentences naturally. I am brushing my teeth now. This was not memorizing grammar rules. This was building real natural fluency. Wherever he was, he named things. He created easy sentences in English. English became his thinking partner slowly. Every walk became a practice session. He walked and thought in English. I am going to the shop. I think it might rain later. This road is too crowded today. His own thoughts became English practice. The habit was growing every day. Sometimes he forgot the exact word, but he never stopped or quit. He used simpler words instead bravely. Frustrated became I am not happy. The goal was never perfect English. The goal was thinking in English. Every week his brain changed more. Thinking in English felt more natural. After a few weeks, something happened. English thoughts came without any effort. He felt something new and beautiful. It felt like real, true freedom. He did not need to translate. He was not afraid to speak. Words came quickly and naturally now. Confidence replaced every old fear inside. English became a friend always present. Talk to it. Think in it. One big mistake he once made. He thought he needed another country. He believed he needed America or England. But he was completely and totally wrong. You can build your English world. You can do it right here. He read menus silently in English. What do I want to eat? At the market, he thought English. Look at those fresh red tomatoes. Even watching strangers, he imagined conversations. All of it happened silently, inside. Then he added one more step, speaking softly to himself when alone. I had a good day today. Tomorrow I want to finish this. Small steps trained his brain deeply. English became his daily life language. A tourist needed directions from him. Before, he would have felt panic. But that day he felt calm. He had practiced this in his mind. He gave directions clearly and confidently. The tourist smiled and said kindly, "Your English is really very good." That moment became a true turning point. Something inside him changed forever that day. Do not wait for perfect moments. Use English in your daily life. He was scared of every mistake, scared of wrong pronunciation always, scared of sounding not very smart. Then his teacher said something beautiful. Those words changed his entire life. The one who speaks with mistakes, he learns much faster than silence. That sentence hit him very deeply. From that day, he made a decision. He would speak, mistakes or not. Nothing would keep him silent anymore. At the shop, he spoke bravely. "One bottle water, please," was enough. At the bus stop, he asked questions. What time bus come was imperfect. But he was speaking every day, and speaking was building real confidence. He joined a small online group. Nobody was perfect. Everyone just tried. Some spoke slowly. Some forgot words. But they all supported each other. Every mistake, he told himself kindly, "This is not failure. This is learning." Slowly, his confidence began growing stronger. His grammar improved through real use. His pronunciation became clearer every week. Real practice was doing what books could not. One day at a hotel he spoke, "Can I get one more towel?" The staff smiled and understood him. That small moment felt like pure victory. So speak every day without fear. Speak anywhere. Speak with anyone always. Your mistakes will become your real lessons. One day you will look back proudly. He also used his surroundings wisely. The whole world became his classroom. At the bus stop, he observed. The bus is late. Sun is bright. That boy is eating cold ice cream. Simple sentences. Powerful daily brain training. He listened to train station announcements. He repeated every word in his mind. Attention, please. Train arriving at platform 3. Every public place became an English lesson. At home, he opened the fridge. There is milk. I need eggs. Even while cooking, he spoke English. Boil the water, add some salt. He read posters, he read labels. He read every bag and bottle. Wherever he saw English, he practiced. He observed, he read, he spoke. Once he passed a clothing store. A shirt had 4 powerful words. Make your own way, it said. He stopped. He thought about it deeply. That one shirt taught a new phrase. Create your own path. Be independent. The world was giving him English. He just needed to notice it. Read street signs in English always. Describe what people around you do. Create your English dictionary from life. Stop seeing English as just a subject, but turning thoughts into speech was key. Speak in your mind first, always. Then slowly speak the words aloud. You do not always need a partner. You just need a voice inside. And that voice must speak English. Every morning he woke and thought, today is a beautiful fresh day. While getting ready, he kept going. I'm brushing my teeth now. He was doing everything in English. His brain was being trained daily. While walking, he spoke very softly. I am going to buy vegetables. Nobody could hear him at all. But his brain was listening carefully. When alone, he practiced much louder. He picked topics and just talked. My favorite food is pasta today. Why? Because it is easy cooking. No grammar books. No memorizing rules. Just real simple, natural daily speaking. If he forgot any word completely, he explained it in simple words. That soft thing under your head. That is what he called a pillow. That is thinking like a real speaker. Not thinking like a nervous student. He also practiced using a mirror. He stood and looked at himself. You can do it, he said. You are learning. You are improving. English is your friend, not enemy. At first, it felt very strange, but after 1 week, he changed. The mirror had built real confidence. One powerful habit he practiced nightly. He told his whole day in English. Today I woke up at 7. I had tea and some toast. I went to the bank today. Now I feel very, very sleepy. This simple habit rewired his brain. English thoughts came more automatically now. The more he thought in English, the faster he could speak English. Do not translate. Think directly instead. Day by day you will grow. One day you will realize something. You are not just thinking English. You are actually living in English. That is the real true magic. But one challenge still remained for him. Speaking to real people in real life. What if I make a mistake? What if people laugh at me? What if I completely get stuck? These fears live inside every learner. But he knew what he needed. To find freedom, he must face fear. So one day he took action. He joined a small online English group. Everyone made mistakes. Nobody laughed cruelly. He said just a few words. I am learning English right now. I want to improve my speaking. That was enough for his first day. Next time he said a little more, then more, then even more still. With every step, fear became smaller. He learned one powerful, unchangeable truth. Mistakes are not your real enemy. Silence is your real true enemy. You improve only by actually trying, not by thinking, not by waiting, only by doing every single day. He made one final powerful rule. I will speak English every day. Even alone, I will speak aloud. Even shy, I will speak anyway. Even wrong, I will learn from it. This mindset changed absolutely everything for him. He joined voice chats with courage. He recorded himself speaking every evening. He helped beginners who were afraid, just like he himself once was. His confidence grew stronger every single day. Speaking English no longer felt like work. He could order food easily now. He could talk to strangers confidently. He could ask for directions clearly. He could even make real jokes. He was not perfect. That is fine. He was confident, fluent, and truly fearless. Not a native speaker, but free. That is the only thing that matters. So what can we all learn? Start small, but stay always consistent. Listen more, speak more, fear less. Think in English. Live in English. Do not aim for perfect speaking. Aim for progress every single day. Speak even when you are not ready. That is exactly how you truly grow. You do not need America or London. You do not need expensive language classes. You need the right daily mindset. You need action and real courage. So now the turn is yours. Start today. Speak today. Be brave. Be proud of every single mistake. Every mistake. E is a sign of learning. Fluency is never a final destination. Fluency is a beautiful lifelong journey.